You got cerveza? None?
We're turning and burning.
Oh, hey, what's up, Turnin and Burnin crew? This is your #1 channel for all things blue collar. Today, we're gonna pour some concrete. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe, leave that notification bell. And you know what? I want to take you back to yesterday before we pour this concrete so you can see what's underneath that concrete. But right now I'm just waiting for my ride to show up so I can go back to yesterday and show you what we did. Oh, there he is right there. I'll see you in a little bit. Turning and burning.
A picture in my head. A picture of this. This is what makes time travel possible.
Ugh. Einstein's hair all over me. Thanks for the ride, Doc. Call you when I'm ready. Alright, yesterday got a ride from Doc, so I want to show y'all what the guys got ready and what we're going to be pouring today, which is tomorrow, which, well, I don't know. We're going to figure all this out. So here's where we're at. Got all the rebar and everything set into place. What's happening here, we got this hopper right here. This hopper is gonna sit right here where I'm standing. And this hopper is going to feed that dryer over there. But in order to get sand and top inside of this hopper, we need a ramp right here. So you can drive the loader up and dump. So this is just the beginning of the foundation. What we've done is we've dug everything out to where we needed to be dug out to, as you can see. And they come in here and set their forms. And we've set all the rebar set. And then what we've done is we come in here. They call these L bars up. That way, when we pour the concrete, all this right here is going to be poured flat, and then we'll come back later and all the L bars, all the rebar are already stuck up, and then we're going to come up from there after all that's complete with the second pour. We're going to build a wall right here, 6 foot tall wall, ramp down. That way they can build up a ramp right here. So that's what it looks like. That's what the inside of the concrete looks like, and this is where it's going to be. So you're going to have to tune in, subscribe, hit the bell so you can see when we post, when we do the walls coming up. You can check that out. Alright, well, since we're here today to yesterday, something like that, let me show you some other stuff that they've done to get ready for the pour today.
Great Scott!
Always 100 different things going on at a job site. Surveying in for the next conveyors. We put the concrete footers in there. That's how you launch a missile right there. Oh man, they're gonna blackball us now. They're gonna come after us because I said missile. No, they are. Precision. Precision. The only bad thing about going back in time is I'm here today which is yesterday, so there's 2 of me. And Doc said if I see myself from the future, I could really mess up a lot of things. I hope Doc hurries up and gets here, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hide from myself much longer. They're gonna dig down right here, go down a good 2 feet before they set their forms. So that's what they're doing right now, so they can be ready to pour today. Getting all the finishing touches. ¿Qué pasó? Over here, that'll be being poured. Come back over this way. Digging it out. Getting it all ready. Same with that one. Basically all these are gonna look just like these footers right over here once it's all said and done. That's the start, and that's what the finished product looks like. What? Uh-oh, what's that? What's going on here? Oh no. What's going on? What? Doc! Doc's here! Doc's here! I'll see y'all! I'll see y'all! I'll see y'all when we start pouring. Woo! What's up, guys?
What's going on, Kevin? Where you been?
Oh, don't worry about it, man. We got some concrete to pour. Whew. Time traveling. Fun and exhausting. I lost my camera on the way. It's somewhere out in time, so bear with us. We're gonna use the old camera phone as the boys start pouring the concrete. Check it out.
Down, no bonito. But I've got some comforts that are irresistible. That's right. Give me 2 pounds of regular, 'cause I like a little fat. Yes, I do. 2 pounds of regular, 'cause I like a little fat. Give my next
Alto.
that's where it's at. Hey, give me 4 bolitas, so I can put some inside. Give me 4 bolitas, so I can put my meat inside. I love my barbacoa with a big red on
You
the
always have
side.
Pedestals right there. Roll it off to later.
stormy Monday. Tuesday's just as bad, yeah. Well, they call it stormy Monday, yeah. Tuesday's just as bad. Well, Wednesday's worse.